Have you ever wondered about the benefits of onions? Well, let me tell you, onions are not just for adding flavor to your dishes but also for your health. So, what's the deal with onions and our health? Let me break it down for you. Onions contain functional ingredients such as allicin and quercetin, which are great for our blood vessels. Quercetin prevents free radicals from damaging the walls of our blood vessels and keeps them strong, preventing them from aging. But wait, there's more. Onions are also rich in iodine, which helps to cleanse our blood. Plus, did you know that the outer skin of onions has 10 to 30 times more quercetin than the inner flesh? So, don't be afraid to cook your onions and use the outer skin as well. Here's a tip for using onion skins to make broth or tea. Onion skins are tough and not suitable for consumption, but they contain a lot of quercetin. To use them, first, peel off the onion and wash the skins thoroughly with water. To remove any pesticides, add a few drops of vinegar to the water and soak the skins for about 5 minutes. Rinse the skins several times under running water, then dry them well and store them. To make broth, add the onion skins to a pot of water with other vegetables and seasonings, and simmer for a few hours to create a flavorful and nutrient-rich broth. Alternatively, you can steep the onion skins in hot water to make a nutritious and tasty tea. How do you cook onions to get the most out of their health benefits? Well, you can steam them or even make onion juice. And for those worried about losing nutrients when you cook onions, don't worry, you can still preserve more nutrients by steaming them or cooking them in oil. And for those of you who don't like the taste of onions, don't worry, you can still get the health benefits by caramelizing them or even adding them to your favorite sauces or dips. But just a heads up, if you have diabetes, please adjust the appropriate amount of sweet in onions because they are concentrated. Here are a few easy onion recipes you can try. Caramelized onions. Slice up an onion and sauté it in a pan with some butter or oil on medium-low heat until the onions turn brown and sweet. You can use these caramelized onions as a topping on burgers, in sandwiches, or as a side dish. Onion rings. Cut an onion into rings, dip them in a batter of flour, egg, and milk, then fry them in oil until they turn golden brown. Serve them as a snack or side dish. French onion soup. Slice up onions and cook them in a pot with some butter until they caramelize. Add beef broth, a bay leaf, and some thyme, and simmer for about 30 minutes. Serve with a slice of toasted bread and melted cheese on top. Roasted onions. Cut onions into wedges and toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast them in the oven at 400 F for about 30 minutes until they turn golden brown. Serve as a side dish or add them to salads. Onion dip. Mix together sour cream, mayo, chopped onions, and your favorite seasonings. Serve with chips or veggies for a tasty dip. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Onions are a versatile ingredient and can be used in many dishes. So there you have it. Onions are not just a tasty addition to our meals but also great for our health. So go ahead and add some onions to your next dish, and let's start reaping the benefits. Thanks for watching.